welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. There is a platform which I used to show with to my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. This had been an uptrend right from here, but got to this resistance when it started the downtrend from there. But it got to this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. Had the pullback, went back there, had another pullback, went back there, and of course it is having another pullback at the moment. And of course, once it is done, it will try it out again. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. We should expect more of a selling opportunity after the breakout. Okay, except if it goes back to the major resistance zone. Now let's move on to boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. This had been an uptrend from here, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend from there, so it started selling right from there. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. It's bought till it got to this resistance zone, but it started selling right from there, but it was unable to break out from this support zone after trying it out 2 times, so it's going back on buy trend right now, so it is buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be buying for now. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend which came to an end around there, and of course it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is V75. Started an uptrend from here, but came to an end around here, so it has started a downtrend, and it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are the assets for us today, and everything we'll be doing, I mean, all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, study the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Thank you.